Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use X, Twitter, Analytics, Quick Fix step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Twitter. Log in to your Twitter account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Analytics. If this is your first time using Twitter Analytics, you may need to agree to terms and conditions. Once on the Analytics dashboard, you'll see an overview of your account performance. To view your tweets' performance, click on the Tweets tab. Here, you will find detailed insights on impressions, engagements, and engagement rates. You can analyze data for specific time periods by using the Date Range selector. To view your audience insights, click on the Audience tab. This section provides demographic information about your followers. Next, explore the Conversion and Revenue tabs if you're running ads. To download your analytics data, look for the Export Data button. Choose the format you would like for your data export. Now you can utilize these insights to improve your Twitter strategy. Review your top performing tweets to understand what resonates with your audience. Adjust your content strategy based on the analytics findings. Regularly checking your analytics will help you track your progress over time. Continue to refine your approach to maximize engagement on your Twitter account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.